Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Global Sources Factions today. My name is Nicholas, and I'm Sales Manager of Suwale Group Hong Kong office. I'm so excited to be one of the speakers today, and so happy to see all the new faces. First of all, I would like to congratulate to all of you because you make the right choice to come and join today's event. And thank you very much for Global Source Organization to give me a chance to have presentation here today. I don't know how many people already know our company, but don't worry. I'm going to show you a short video to let you know more about our company.
Worsted Merino Yarn, a family company with history spanning more than 60 years. Today we can provide about 25,500 tons of worsted yarn every year. We have successfully implemented 7 spinning, 3 dyeing, and 2 wool treatment plants in Germany, Poland, China, Romania, Italy, Bulgaria, and Vietnam. We also have our own sheep farm, Mount Hess, in Australia. You can easily contact us at our head office in Germany or at our sales offices in the USA, Turkey, UK, New Zealand, Hong Kong, and South Africa. We can offer you our German standard of profession, coupled with the highest quality of merino wool. We develop leading wool products with consistent quality all over the world. Regardless of where we produce, our products always meet the highest qualitative and environmental standards. Our factories are equipped with world-class production equipment, including high-end laboratory facilities, testing equipment, achieving the highest quality and sustainability requirements. We own several patented spinning technologies and are accredited with a number of certifications, including IBM Best, GOTS, BlueSign, the ISO 9001 standard, and more. Our expertise ranges from raw material to end products. For us, consistency and efficiency in production are key. Every step has been tried and tested, managed by industry professionals to ensure the highest quality. As in the past, we will tackle all challenges and provide benefits for our employees, including more opportunities for self-development and flat hirings. We always support customers in achieving their dreams with extraordinary quality and performance. Our sales strategy of keeping stock provides services for global markets with the ability to serve the needs of all customers. Our advanced ERP system accurately tracks every production process and offers perfect solutions meeting each customer's requirements. We also continue to create new standards by promoting and developing trending ideas within the worsted yarn market. Concentrated on innovation and product quality, we focus on all yarn segments. We have established 7 brands. BL yarn, high-quality flat knitting yarns used for exclusive fashionable clothing. GTI, luxury yarns. Yarn in Motion, high-quality circular knitting and seamless yarns for sports and outdoor, fostering the fast-growing natural fiber segment. Richter, professional hosiery yarns. Soap, open air, and airjet yarn. Stowe, technical yarns for the automotive industry, decoration, and corporate wear. Sudlook, high-quality yarns for woven men and women's wear. With our high storage capacity and logistics model, we can ship globally from China, Vietnam, Europe, and North America. To innovate and create activities in this industry, Sudlook Group is a driver of change. We could rest on the success of our past, but prefer to focus on our future and our cost in pursuit of perfection. We will continue to support and build further cooperations with partners and colleagues. For us, the future is just begun. We will continue to innovate with the belief that with our passion, we can create what's next in the textile world. Professionalism leads to perfection. Brand image results in perfection. Dreams create perfection. We are always one step ahead.
Yeah. I'm sorry because the video you just have a Vietnamese subtitle. I hope you can understand all the translation. Okay, so we are a German-based company, and we are West Merino spinners. We mainly produce yarn for different purposes, and we are not a fabric or garment producers. Because we don't want to have a conflict with our customers, and we want to focus on what we are strong with. Our group started since 1966, and our mother business is merino weaving yarn, with stock service support in Europe. But why wool? Why we choose wool? Does anybody knows what is the benefits of using wool? Now I'm going to show you the benefits of wool. Okay. As you can see, there are 10 main natural characteristics of wool fibers. Or maybe you know more benefits more than us. Wool fibers have moisture management characteristics. It is 100% natural and renewable. It is anti-odor and have thermoregulation and anti-static properties. It is biodegradable. It can be UV protection. It is comfort, even you wear next to skin, like underwear and socks. It has resilience and flame retardancy properties. Okay. We have 3,219 employees in global, and we have 6 spinning mills globally. They are in Poland, Romania, Bulgaria, Italy, China, and Vietnam. We have 26,000 tons spinning capacity per year. And we have dyeing facility in Germany and China, which can provide 11,000 tons capacity per year. We have our own wood top treatment plants in Germany and China, and we can treat around 6,900 tons per year of wood tops. And we have sales office in 11 countries and warehouse in 8 countries. Besides our mother business weaving yarn, we also produce the yarn for different areas, such as sweaters, circulars, hosieries, luxury fancies, technical, and 100% viscose yarns. We always source the best material for our customers. We source the material mainly through 6 regions, such as Australia, New Zealand, Argentina, Uruguay, UK, and South Africa. We have more than 20 strict testing standards to choose our own wool materials. Our suppliers are all agreed by International Wool Textile Organization animal welfare rules. We built up our Vietnam Dalat West spinning mill in Dalat cities in 2019. Our mill is on the top of the mountain, which is 1,500 meters above the sea level. Why we build up our mill on the mountains? Because the climate there is very suitable for wool spinning without installing any air conditioning systems. So our CO2 emissions is much more less than the other production areas. Our mill one can produce up to 2,500 tons per year. And our mill two will be finished in mid of 2025, which can give another 1,500 tons capacity per year. We built up our new dyeing mill this year in May in Linh Chuan province, and it can be ready for production at Q4 of 2024. At the first stage, dyeing mill can provide 2,500 tons capacity per year. And we already reserved another space for the stage 2, which can provide extra 2,000 tons capacity per year. Our Dalat new spinning mill install all the latest model type of machineries. It can provide a wide range of spinning technology with different functions and styles of the yarn. We unify strict standards in each process and also the global management system. Due to the fact that we can provide the same yarn in different countries, which give our customers flexibility to move their production areas globally. Our own treatment plant can provide 4 different kind of anti-shrinkage treatments on wool tops, such as Basolan, which is for hand wash purpose, Total Easy Care for machine wash and tumble dry, Mercerize for machine wash and add up a luxury shiny appearance and extra softness. And we can also do the X-Care treatment, which is a non-coring process for machine washable purpose. We can provide 7 spinning technology in our Dalat spinning mill. They are conventional ring spinning, twisting, spiral spinning, core spinning, compact spinning, and spiral field spinning. And the latest technology is OTW systems, which is we got already the patent in Europe and China. Okay, our dyeing mill can provide the possibility for cone dye, hand dye, top dye, and printing on hands. We can provide also the moon inner colors by twisting 2 or more different colors together. All our facilities all over the world are certified already by Secure, SecureRx, Nativa, ISO, Blue Sign, Zero Discharge, RWS, GRS, GOTS, SLC, Octodesk, and Detox. How to turn your visions into reality? We can provide technical support and after-sales service to our customers. We will tailor-make products for our customers. We can link up globally the supply chain for our customers. We can also provide our own hand tag or tailor-make the hand tag for our customers. And we can collaborate with our customers for marketing strategy. So we are not only a wool spinners. We're always focusing on innovation and thinking always one step forward. We create web innovation hubs, and our mission is to inspire designers and producers in B2B environment We present our new ideas, new technology, and new collaboration possibility, and new products to our customers. You can scan the QR code or go to the website to contact us for any inquiries or new ideas. You can also go to our digital library to see our all new collections, brochure and color cards through this QR code or our website. So if there is any Vietnam partners, you can contact directly with our Vietnam sales teams with these two email address, or you can contact me also for any inquiries and questions. So this is the end of my presentation today. Thank you very much for your precious time and hope we can see each other in the coming future. Thank you.